Mobile phones have revolutionized the way we communicate and interact with the world. These portable devices, commonly known as cell phones, have evolved from simple calling and texting tools to powerful smartphones packed with advanced features. Imagine having a high-resolution camera, GPS navigation, and access to thousands of apps right in your pocket. Operating primarily on Android and iOS, these devices have transformed not just how we connect with others, but also how we access information and entertainment. The history of mobile phones is fascinating, starting from the bulky, brick-like models of the 1980s to the sleek, multifunctional devices we use today. Smartphones have become essential for both personal and professional life, enabling instant communication and information sharing like never before.